On each out breath, allow yourself to let go or sink on the mat or on the bed. Become aware of the physical sensations in your body, noticing the sensation of touch or pressure in your body, especially the areas of your body which are in touch with your floor. Remind yourself of the reason for this practice. Your intention is not to feel any different, but just to be relaxed and to become aware of the sensation you detect as you focus your attention on each part of your body. In turn, or as a result, you may or may not feel calm or relaxed. No problem. So your only focus is to become aware of the sensation of your body in different areas where we focus during this practice. Now, bring your attention to your lower abdomen. Become aware of the physical sensations in your abdominal wall. Gentle abdominal movement synchronized with breathing in and breathing out, movement of the diaphragm, small little movement of your intestinal structures. Stay connected with your breathing in, breathing out, and the movement of your abdominal wall. Simply being aware of the sensation. That's all is your work. Now, slowly move your focus or the spotlight of your awareness from your abdomen down to your left leg, and through your left leg down towards your left foot, and all the way down towards the toes of your left foot. Become aware of the toes. Maybe you may feel a sense of tingling, warmth, or no sensations at all in your toes. Now shift your focus on your breathing. Imagine that when you breathe in, you reach till the tip of your toes. When you breathe out, you let the breath out through your nostrils. So it is an awareness training. Physically, it might not happen, but you feel as if you're breathing. When you breathe in, feel that in breath, it is relaxing till the left tip of your toes. And when you breathe out, all the way you're breathing out from your toes to the foot, left leg, lungs, and till your nostrils. So breathing in and breathing out into your toes. Slowly become aware of the heels which are in touch with the floor, and simply be aware of the sole of the foot, heels, just be aware. Slowly shift your awareness to the right leg. Similar awareness, breathing in and breathing out. When I breathe in, I relax my right leg all the way to my right ankle, to the tip of my right foot, toes. So this is gently to make you aware that how deep you can breathe. You are aware of both sides of your leg, breathing in all the way to the toes, visualize it, breathing out. You're breathing out through the toes, ankles, legs, and through your lungs till the nostril. With this awareness of deep breathing in and breathing out into your legs, you expand your awareness to the full parts of your body, abdomen, chest, hands, till the tip of your fingers, neck and head. So you breathe in, you reach all the internal organs, bones, tendons, ligaments, nerves, arteries, veins. When you breathe out, you exhale and take out toxins from all these areas. For you to be aware of this, you can try little deeper breathing in and breathing out. Feel the awareness and physical sensation on your right toes, right foot, right leg, left toes, left foot, left leg, your pelvis, back, abdomen, chest, fingers, hands, arms, shoulders, neck, head, and your face. It is not important that how well you do, but simply you are trying to do your best is enough. Just continue to bring the same detailed level of awareness to the bodily sensations in sync with your breathing in and breathing out. From time to time, your mind wanders away from your breath and your body. No problem. This is normal. You just notice the wandering mind. Don't try to catch it or follow it. You simply notice and acknowledge your mind that it is wandering, and slowly return your awareness onto your breathing and bodily sensations along with the presence of mind. With this practice, now you be aware of sensation of physical body throughout, from the tip of your toes till the head. Any sensations anywhere, you be aware of it and be focused onto that. While practicing this, if you feel slept off, it's still okay, but you can adjust yourself in a situation where either you lie down on your bed or make yourself at most comfortable. Alternatively, you can practice this while sitting onto the chair. What is most important is to connect your body, align that body movement with the breath. With this exercise of aligning body and breathing, mind will come to control indirectly. Control of the mind is indirect. I focus on my thoughts, I cannot control. I let go of my thoughts, I can control my mind. Like a butterfly, try to catch it, it will fly. Try to leave it, it will come to you. So this is one of the best possible psychological thought dissociation technique or relaxation technique, where you use your awareness to focus on different parts of your body in sync with breathing, and you can call it as a scan because you are aware of each part of your body and you are syncing with breathe in and breathe out. With this practice of body scan meditation, very slowly and gently be aware of your breathing. You're coming back to body consciousness. This is a beginner's practice. Level ahead of this is, in this lying down posture, you focus on your pancreas or you focus on your abdomen, you focus on your mind, you focus on your back. Then you can do an advanced self-hypnotization technique or self hypnotism technique or self affirmation techniques which will work for you onto your subconscious mind. So, initial body scan meditation is just simply being aware of different parts of the body and synchronizing with your breathing. Slowly, you are coming back to complete consciousness. You are alert and awake at the back of your closed eyes. Gently move your toes a bit, move your fingertips, fold at your left leg, take your right hand on the top of your head, tilt towards one side, fold both legs like a child. Be in that posture for a while.